on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker pickup. All right. So this was my last pickup of 2018. Due to some mailing issues, it's just now getting here, but I'm glad that it has arrived. Shout out to my big homie JT for coming through in the clutch. Quick backstory before I get into it. I actually have bought this shoe twice now. The first time I bought it, I got it off the sneakers app. I said, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I got to have it. And then I changed my mind. I contacted Nike and I canceled the order. I said, I can wait. I can wait on a different version of a different model of a similar, I was going to wait for a different shoe basically. But I kept seeing it, and I kept seeing it, and I kept thinking about it, and I kept seeing it. And I said, damn it, I should have kept it. And it was gone on sneakers after that. But the big homie JT, he came through in the clutch, went to the store, went to the Foot Locker, I believe it was, and found them for your boy. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. Whew. Thought I was going to miss out, man. That's what I get for being indecisive, man. That is what I get for being indecisive. All right. Super crazy tape job going on. And boom. All right. Put my shank. Put Mr. Shanky over there. I know that name's whack, but whatever. All right. Just as I suspected. Foot Locker bag. All right. Go ahead and get that up out of here. And get this box out the way. All right. Foot Locker bag. Anything else in here? Anything else? Nope, nothing else. And the Foot Locker bag. So we go ahead and get that up out of here. And boom. Yes, sir. LeBron James box. You see Bron Duncan in the middle there. Boom. Nike, what is that? LeBron 16 on the side. The lion there, the king. The crown on the back. Nike check. You know what the box looks like. Anyway, these are the LeBron 16 SB for Super Bron, if I'm not mistaken. White, varsity red. Size 14, of course. Yes, sir. Had to have these. Had to have them. Matter of fact, let me put these. Whew. Yes, sir. Oh. It's my first time seeing it. I got a glimpse. Like I said, it's the first time seeing it. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Good. Oh, I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I got it. Oh, man. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Yo, off the top, these most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval for sure off the top. Man. Whew. These are, I had to have them. I had to have them. I don't know why I was hesitant. All right, I do know why I was hesitant. The reason I initially canceled the orders because I was wanting the LeBron 3 that is what this shoe is based off of, and it was supposed to release on the 9th. And I said they are similar, so I don't want to have two of the exact same shoe. However, I didn't realize that the LeBron 3 that they're doing and that's the Super Bron, the SB, is red. Wherever this shoe is blue, it's mostly red, and then the red is blue. It's like reversed. So I said, you know what? I can have them both. I had to have these, man. I had to have them. I had to have them. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let's get into some of the details on this joint right here, man. Let me get the shoe tree up out of here. So glad that I got him. Like, this is a dope shoe, man. You see LeBron's initials on the side here, the LRJ. And then you see on the front, that's a hard plastic or a metal right there with the old school LeBron 23 logo there. Very dope. Then you got your Lion King on the tongue there. Very nice hit. You got your other on the midsole here. You got your LeBron logo with the crown. Then, of course, I mentioned before the Nike check right there going up the back. This, I don't know what that is on the back. It doesn't look like it's actually anything. When you drop here, you see that LeBron logo again. Very dope. And then again, on the inside of the shoe, LeBron logo again. My favorite part of the LeBron shoe is the Dunk Man there. Love that. This should be on every LeBron shoe. It should be on every LeBron shoe ever. And it should probably be somewhere like on the tongue. I don't like that LeBron doesn't use that. I get it that maybe that, you don't want to imitate the Jumpman and just throw that on there. But I like that. I love that. I've always loved that on LeBron shoes. The dunk coming in, his signature dunk. I love that. That should be on everything. I forgot to mention that there is a Nike check here. Boom. Very dope. Is like a leather material going, patent leather material going around there and around the midsole. But this is more of that, I can't think of the material, but it's the same material that was on the LeBron 15 here. Very comfortable stuff. Very dope. Nice stretch here. Man, nothing on the laces here, but let's go ahead and pull out the right boy. Right boy. Let's go ahead and get the right boy out. Right shoe second. Nothing different. Nothing different on the right. Nothing different. Identical sneaker on the right one. Love that. Love that. I wish this wasn't on the bottom. This should be here. You can put the king on bottom, but you should put this up here or on the back or something like that. Just put this visibly somewhere else. That's if I had to make a complaint about the shoe, get the right guy out of here. If I had to make a complaint about the shoe, if I'm forced to make one, Ralph, gun to my head, Ralph, make a complaint about the shoe. This should be here or here. Make it visible. That's it. Beyond that, flawless shoe to me. You got the LeBron logo, another LeBron logo there. And then I didn't mention the air unit going around here. Very dope. Very dope. Knock this one out the park, man. They knocked these out the park. This is amazing. This is how you end 2018. This is how you end it right here. I know I'm late in getting it, but this is how you end 2018, baby. But let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. All right. Got the OKC house shoes on, you know how I do it when I be lounging around in the crib. Let's go ahead and kick these off. Boom. House shoe action. Bam. All right. Let's get it cracking. Throw these boys on. Boom. And we're in there. We are in there. Left shoe. Oh, man, so glad. So glad the homie came through in the clutch for your boy. Oh. All right. And the right shoe is in there. And I think I mentioned before when I got the What the 16s that I could not go down to my true size, which is a 13 and a half. I couldn't do that in these. These fit perfectly in a 14. So to me, that would mean that they run just a tad smaller than normal. My toe is right here. So I couldn't possibly go down any smaller than what this is. But yes, sir. Look at these bad boys right here. Woo, woo. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at these joints right here. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely a dope shoe. Definitely. But anyway, that's going to do it on these, man. Definitely a hell of a way. A hell of a way to end 2018, as I've said before. Man, if I would have had these when I did my top 10 of 2018, I don't know. These might have made the top 3. These might have made the top 3 because these are nuts. These are nuts right here, man. These are nuts. Like, man, I'm so glad that I decided not to pass on these, man, because these are just too sweet. But anyway, that's going to do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you on the next video. Peace.